Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna. How is the morning? How's the Monday, guys? Monday the fun day? Is Monday your fun day, guys? Hey Ritu, observe who and what triggers you. This is a great question today, actually. Triggers you away from your greatness. What is the value of not choosing your greatness? Hello, Uma, Yogi, Umesh, Sachin. Hello, hello. Good morning. Lovely Umesh, thank you for participating in the challenge. I saw it last night. Thank you so much. Pretty Ritu says. Thank you, Ritu. So again, who and what triggers you to keep you away from your greatness? What is the value of not choosing your greatness, guys? What is the value? Hey Shivangi. I'm doing good, Uma. Thank you for asking. Monday triggers me, I'm sure. It triggers everyone, every Monday I wake up, it's like, in my world. Then I'm like, all right, guys, it's okay. It's just Monday. So if the Monday will come, then the Sunday will come, no? So it's okay. Yes, it really is a great question, Shivangi. So what triggers in your world? So, it's like we have kept so many trigger points. That's what I was observing in myself as well, that we have kept so many triggers in our life to actually deviate and distract ourselves, to just move away, not actually reach and acknowledge our greatness, because then will be too much. It's like, how can I be too much? How can be I have everything? Then it's like I'm high-headed, or I am like literally, on the seventh heaven, and I don't think, and I'm arrogant. So people are not willing to be arrogant, they're not willing to be them, and they're not willing to be great, and they're not willing to acknowledge who they are. And so they keep the trigger points in their heads and in their lives, so that somebody comes. So for some it might be relationships, for some it might be kids, for some it might be body. So what have you actually kept as your triggers? Hey Mona, good morning, sweetheart. So what have you kept as your triggers? Hey Samir, good to see you. So tell me, anybody who wants to opt today to play with me, I'm happy to play here. Good morning, Samir. Samir loves going to the office though, so I'm sure he doesn't have the Monday syndrome. But many of people here have a Monday syndrome of going to the office or working from home. So it's a Monday is like a, how many point of views is Monday filled up with? It's also kind of a lot of triggers in our world, that how, after Sunday we had to go to school on Monday, and it's like, it is bad. Like we have kind of concluded in our world that Mondays is a tough time. So sometimes Monday can actually be fun, and it's up to us who can make Mondays fun. So Samir says, love going to work, working from home, love to work. See, there is another point of view. Thanks Samir for sharing that. So he doesn't really get stressed if it's Monday or Tuesday. Hello Naresh. Every day is awesome. Awesome Samir. See, that's such a great invitation, guys. So we just think that is it, because we have kind of concluded a world in our world and in our minds and our heads, and we think that is it, that is what life is all about. And in that only we have kind of knitted our own stories, and we have kept the trigger points that if somebody says me this, then I'm going to react. So everything that is, can you let go? So Sachin says, I destroy Nanke daily, so Sunday and Monday all are the same. For me, Sunday is very special. Somehow for me, Sunday is a very special day, and I just enjoy it. It doesn't make my other days not so amazing, but yeah, Sunday is a little special. So someone telling me how I did not do my job great is a trigger point for me. Wow, yeah, there you go. Thanks Shivangi for sharing it up. So what does that brings up in you, Shivangi? So you buy that point true and real for what value? So if you actually, for a moment right now, Shivangi, if you want to play with me, like if you really do not buy that as true and real in this 10 seconds, what does your world looks like? Samir says, better is not just to react. We are here to handle it all with ease. Yes, totally. So Shivangi, if you did not do a great job, so what's the big deal? So does that trigger you to do a greater job, or what does it do? Or does it take you into the funk moment, or then you give up everything and then you lose the greatness and it's so amazing, I've watched myself, like I'm so amazingly creating, I'm being there, I'm in the world, I'm happy, joyful, laughing, giggling, and few days later I'm like in my cocoon area where I just go have my cry story, have my drama trauma. And it's so funny. Over the years, I've been watching it, and now I'm like, oh, so there's a drama time. So once you know that drama time, it doesn't really take me to that whole shit for like 2 to 10 days, and then I go that backwards no more. I'm there, and I'm like, okay, so I'm here with you, staying here. So these are my trigger points. So now what I start doing is like, okay, all the triggers I'm holding in space and places for not choosing me, I let go. So, perfectionism is a solid in my world. Yeah. So it's like, what if that is also not wrong? And yes, you have Shivangi take perfectionism, and then what if that is, so if you actually acknowledge it and see it that this is actually my perfectionism is my trigger point. So every time now anybody triggers you and says that, it's like you are choosing somewhere to go behind. So have you actually reached just the end point, and you are returning back because then you think you will get bored, Shivangi? So wonder if you can actually see from there. Radna, Sameer says, Radna would love to invite you for a live session on my brand. Happy on telling the mothers and the kids how beautiful and easy life is when you do something and believe in stress. Just smile. Yes, definitely. I'm happy to come. I'll be happy to join you for that, Sameer, anytime. Just message me. That reminds me, Sunday ho ya Monday, rose khao ande, Sachin says. Yes, Sachin, totally. So much positiveness each morning with you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, thank you, Sameer. Thank you for joining in. Thank you for hearing me out. My bug, but I love talking anyways. Hey, Asta, good morning. Janvi, hello. Shivangi, yes, wow. So, yeah, thank you. Shall send you details. All right, Sameer. Awesome. Looking forward to it. So, yeah, and what else is possible? So, guys, who all are you keeping the triggers, and what all are you keeping your triggers? Would you like to receive your greatness today? So would a people tree say, or a banyan tree say that I'm not going to receive my greatness? A mango tree says that I'm not going to receive my greatness. Only this we humans say that we are not going to be who we be. But the beauty is you already seen as who you be. But it's only your world who you do not acknowledge that you are what you are. And you're hiding. It's so funny, no? There's an internal story and there's an outer picture. So there is no congruency between both. So if you actually start acknowledging and writing down all your trigger points, wonder what can you change. So Yogi says, you are so right. Sunday is indeed special. I love Sunday. It's like my childhood days, like where I used to watch Ramayana, I used to watch fairy tales, and and morning, like 3 hours of television. That used to be so exciting in the morning. In the evening, movie. OMG, that was so amazing time. And yes, now what else is possible? So now I also bring these aspects of my Sunday in other days, and I'm like, okay, what is the chaos here? Because these are also the projections put on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Saturday. Saturday has to be a party day. Friday has to be a party day. So these are all our projections, and no projections and no expectations are wrong, as long as we are not like killing ourselves with projections and expectations. I heard part of the MP session you had last evening. Just wow, awesome, thanks. Yeah, I love those. Thank you for being there, Sameer. It's amazing. I love those. I think if anybody learns or not learns, I get so many tools, and my life starts like, I learned so much yesterday again, and I was like, wow, I'm having all of it. So it's like such an invitation, and happy to have people. If you guys know, there are some people who can actually be a contribution to the world and who have actually been creating, following their heart. Please mail us, please message us, any of my team members and me, and we can get in touch with you and we can invite you onto this platform. We'll be happy to do that. Shivangi says, now I'm getting this visual of a superhero doubting his superpowers. Of course, Shivangi, you won't do that at all for yourself, no? And what is it that we always loved superpowers and superheroes, and where are we not willing to choose them? So Uma says, every single day there is someone at least who take it up to pull me down, and sometimes I do go down, though I know I shouldn't. So wherever the shoulds come, Uma, what if you be present with the shoulds? The moment I use the word should in my head, I should, I must, I should have done that, I'm like, wow, this is the biggest tool. I'm here to kill myself. And then my question is, whose should is this? So, okay, interesting point of view. And what if that's just an interesting way of my looking at it, the whole thing, that I should. If I should not, okay, and am I in an allowance if I should if I have done it, now what? So, and whose should? Who's right? My right, your right. My left, your right. So you never know what that is, Uma. So these are the, again, trigger points. These are the, concentric circles of our lives that we keep in action and places and spaces, and we ourselves do it. It's like that, Easter egg thing where they go hide the eggs and they have to find them. Is that the same thing? So it's like that. You're hiding your own trigger points somewhere or the other, in some relationship or in the work or in, with your kids, with your staff. So many spaces and places you go hide it, and then you go and, play with yourself. So start looking for, so what if you can actually make the list of your trigger points and start acknowledging and receiving your trigger points. And whenever that trigger points is, ask what acknowledgement I have to be for me today. Because there is some stage that you have reached, and you are like one step away from your choosing your greatness and to create what you truly wanted to create, but you do not want to step into it, and that's when you create these trigger points around you, and then you put your foot on the bomb, and then you return back to the same space. So would you like to change that pattern today? And would you like to receive, see, you've been here until this lifetime, to this age where you're listening it today, and whenever you're listening it in the future, you have achieved that age. So now what? What's my take on it is, what's the harm? Let's go play it, yeah. This one lifetime in this body you're called Aradhana, so why would I not like to go and play with it, and let's see. And maybe I fail, maybe I get wrong, maybe I'm vilified, maybe I'm really screwed by the world and everybody really talks shit about me and give me judgments, but at least I've done it. I know what it feels like. It's like just keep watching every day from the window and not doing it is not fun for me. I'm like, choose it every day, and I jumped every day from the Everest. So I do get into my shits, and then I'm like, okay, let's just go at the tip of the Mount Everest and jump today. That is how I look, and now I've started watching, and triggers have become my very good friend, and I'm like, wow. And how many spaces and places we keep our parents as triggers are, the closest relationship are the biggest trigger points of your life, and they're the biggest gift you have. So what are they reminding you of? What acknowledgement that you have to be for yourself beyond this reality that you have not been to yourself? Wonder if you start doing and being that, world will become more better place, will be more fun, more joyful, and you can be a walking, talking invitation, but yet choice is yours. I can just say that was my say on this. Any other questions I will. So Sami says, will suggest you a few invite Simran from Simran's collection, the person who introduced me to this lovely world. Sure, I'll be happy. I love, for me, everybody is a celebrity who's actually followed their heart, who's actually created a difference and did not listen to the world that, I cannot do this, who did not buy the word impossible, and rather, as Sachin says, I am possible. So if that is how everybody is looking at, that is such an invitation for my world, to invite them and to, listen to their story, because we all write stories. So what story of you is inviting the other world into more possibilities? So Shivangi says, yes, my mom is my biggest trigger. I'm running allowance clearing these days. It's changing. Awesome. Yes. So every time you get triggered, if you start being present and demanding that in your world, Shivangi, okay, fine. This is my trigger. And the moment you'll acknowledge it, like today you acknowledge that's your trigger, next time it's due to your mom, you'll be like, wow, okay, that's my trigger. So what have I already achieved? Yeah, we are all storytellers. I mean, true. So play with it, guys and girls, and see what shows up. And also, people who are not here and who have not heard it. So Umesh has participated beautifully in the challenge, and there's a Be the Change challenge going on, which probably ends tonight at 12. So we have maybe a membership of my 1 month early morning Facebook Live, or my 15-minute SOP session, Wonder What Shows Up. So there's an invite for all of you to win the challenge, and the challenge is beautiful. I love the challenge. Give me one tool of yours which you actually go to when you have a funk in your world. So Shivangi has already participated, Umesh has. So wonder who else would like to participate, and you never know where people can hear your this tool and that can save their lives and take them out from their depressions. So which is the easiest tool that you use when you go into your funk and you never give up, never give in, never quit? What if you can just tag us to at the Insta page or the Facebook page of Be The Change, and it's Be The Change, hashtag Be The Change by Aradhna. So the details are going to be here in the chat. Anybody can go see it. Otherwise, it will be on the group. So yes, thanks, Umesh. It was lovely to hear you out, and I love the tool you shared. What else is possible? Thank you. And I think I get you get to, like, you know, when you're actually inviting the world, just by that simple line, and you're there in the world and seen, and it's so amazing that you never know who listens to you. And it's been so many times, you know, so many classes and so many things I've created online. I've had this point of view, I'm not going to go online. I don't want to do everybody's doing and everybody's just talking the same. How much can people listen? But that's not true. Now I realize, and I have seen myself, that sometimes I'm in such a bad mood, I just pick up my YouTube or I do something and I just go and I listen to certain lines of someone, and it just changes my life and saves my life at that point of time. So I wonder, these little invites from you might be a gift to the world. And you can actually go and post it on Be The Change page on the Facebook, so that we can share with more and more people there, and wonder who wins it. And it's just for the fun. Let's just do it for the fun. Hey Rohini, welcome, welcome. So participate in the Be The Change challenge. Tell your friends about your go-to tool and what's your tool to get you out of your funk. That is the challenge. And tag us on Insta or on the Be The Change page on the Facebook. And wonder what else is. So Shivangi is given to use the hashtags Be The Change by Aradhna. Also don't forget to tag us on Instagram at the rate Be The Change by Aradhna. On Facebook is at the rate Aradhna Tiwari Be The Change. Awesome. Be the change, guys. Come on. I know you all are being, and every day your presence here is already creating that change. We all together kind of shifting the energies. But yet, what else is possible in the future? So today, make a list of all your trigger points and sit with them and laugh it out loud. That's my recommendation. Cool. Any more questions, guys? Can I say anything more if you guys require, or it's done? Or else I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao. Thank you. See you tomorrow, guys, at 11:11.